What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another episode. Alright guys, today, sorry for the little wind, today it is like 62 degrees out. Why is the weather playing with me like this? Oh, why can't it just be summer? I want it to be summer so bad right now. But anyway, I guess appreciate what you're given. So anyway guys, I'm out here on the customer's property. We're gonna be taking a walk around and we're gonna be looking at some of that right up there. Very dirty, green in some spots, got some mold. So not looking good right now. Here we got some more. I don't know if we can see that here. Terribly dirty, terribly. I mean, look at this. Terrible. Even on the side here. So what we're gonna be doing on the property here is we're gonna, I already got some of the good old wet and forget, boys. Wet and forget. Love this stuff. Absolutely love this stuff. So we're going to be putting that on the, spraying that on the house, and hopefully that should wash it off. So I'm really happy about that. But oh man, I'm loving this weather. I'm loving it. Oh, gets me so pumped for spring. I cannot wait. I literally just got my trailer inspected today, so that's good to go. So it cannot come fast enough right now for me. All right guys, let's get to work here. We got to put up some ladders. I don't know how I'm gonna tackle it. I think I'm probably gonna do the second story and then the first level that way. Once I'm off the ladder, then I'm off the ladder for good. So, all right guys, here we go. That's a wrap. I'm so sorry I didn't get any footage for you guys. Like always, you just get rolling along and just wanna wrap it up and be done. So we got the whole house sprayed, all the spots that were green, so that's awesome. We may have to do a second coat. We'll just see depending on how the results look. But yeah, so that's all wrapped up. And the customer also mentioned to me that they might be interested in having me, since I don't power wash the outside of the house because I do not want to drive water behind the siding. That's the reasoning behind that. That's why we just love wet and forget, because it doesn't require any pressure. So, but like for a concrete, stuff like that, no problem power washing that. So they got this little breezeway in between the garage and house, so we'll probably be power washing that. But here, take a look at how that looks. So you can see it's pretty green in here in some spots. So nice toilet with some snow in it. So yeah, we'll be taking care of that for them. So yeah, if we can power wash that, that will look so much better. So, and then even like along there to the front door, that'll look so nice. So anyway, that's why we love wet and forget. And I'm gonna leave a card up in the upper corner to the other wet and forget video that I did with the fence, the white fence, so you guys can check out how to apply it. It's really easy. You just got to soak the surface. That's all there is to it. So really easy. Would highly recommend it. Works so well. So alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I love talking to you guys. I love that you guys love to watch. Hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. Thank you so much. I'm just about to my 100th video. Oh, I can't believe I've gotten this far. Wow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am really honored that you watch, because if you didn't watch, what would be the point, you know? So alright guys, thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.